Hello and welcome to SSN Lifestyle. My name is Eric Bird. I'm the CEO and founder. I just wanted to remind you on a Friday night update is that there's several ways that you can earn money passively and residually here with SSN Lifestyle. I know a lot of you are worried about inflation. I know a lot of you are out here and worried about losing your jobs. Well, you need to put in place ways to help you make additional streams of income. And that's why we're here at SSN Lifestyle to help you. We have, for instance, right here, please go check out the Miracle Crypto Millionaire Opportunity. That is a NFT that is a one-time payment and you don't have to do anything else. And we have several ways to help you. One of them is that you can actually use the link down below for cash flow NFT. You can become an affiliate and share the opportunity with other people. And if they do buy the NFT, you receive commission. And if you're able to get 10 sales, then you get the free NFT because they do cost $5,000. Please check this video out. Another thing that you can do is you can actually buy the NFT for $5,000, and that's one way you can do it. And then once you do that, you are in. It's based on real world assets, stores, ATM machines, insurance. There's 7 different ways you can earn income from doing a one-time investment, and you don't have to monitor, do anything. They will pay you every month, but please check out that video. Now, there's other things. You see, we have health products that you can sell for other people. These are world-class, manufactured, sourced in the United States, made in the USA. And there's only 3 places that you can buy these products. One is a place that you can't unless you are very, very ill. So you can't actually buy it there. They give it to their patients. And then a second place, actually put it in their store. So you can actually put it in your store because you have wholesale pricing. You can use your link. So you see the D3 and K2 product here on the right hand side. You can use your link. And in fact, why don't I go there right now just to show you what I'm referring to? Because a lot of you may not understand that this isn't just a one-trick pony here. You have several ways to earn extra streams of revenue, and I'm going to show you. Look at this. This product here, the D3 plus K2 and magnesium, all of these health benefits is what it does for people. Boost immunity, strengthen bones, lowers risk of hypertension, may boost exercise, may combat compression, may support healthy blood sugar levels. Now, when you go to order, you may say, hey, Eric, stores want 50% off. That's fine. The only way you can get 50% off is if you order. So you can order yourself in bulk. And by doing that, you get discount price. And then you can actually make more money than just sending somebody to buy the units and getting your 8.5 or 10%. You want more than that? Then you can buy in bulk. Or you can give them your link and say, hey, if you want 50% off, here's my link. You got to order 4 dozen. And it can go directly to the store. It's drop shipping capabilities here. Easy for you. So I'm just saying this is one of 3 products that we have that you could be out here promoting and earning extra revenue across the internet, by the way. And we have other items that can help you. But what I want to do is I want you to understand that lifestyle means you have passive income coming in, and then you're able to go on and enjoy life. Well, part of enjoying life here at SSN Lifestyle means that you're going to be able to stay in exotic locations, being able to go to places with your friends. So I'm just going to show you a video that this won't be next year or this year, but in 3 years, this is where Founders Club members will be able to stay at no additional charge for them unless it's some taxes or if there's some electrical fees or something like that. But Founders Club members have the premier membership. There's only 15 of those available, so you'll have to come to the ssnlifestyle.com website or whoever sent you to watch this video, please use their link and come over here and check out exactly what the Founders Club is, because there's only 15 available. And the one-time payment gets you the Punta Cana area, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, whether they're condos or villas. So you can actually bring people with you. And that means, imagine staying for a week in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, in places like what you're about to see. Now, there's other places that are at Vista Cana starting next year that Founders Club members will be able to stay there full week. And not only that, they receive extra benefits like going to the beach clubs. At the beach, you get a 1 day pass for that. Being able to go down to the Caribbean Lake Park and spend a day there. There's several benefits. The prices for that will go up because, as you know, inflation, things cost more. So right now, you can lock in a price. You can lock in the monthly payment. That will never go up. So I suggest you get in now, because if you do not get in relatively soon, the price will increase because of this new project that has come on board, that you will be able to stay at, again, complimentary every year if you decide you want to go every year to this location. So check out this video so you understand what you have an opportunity to deal with when you're with SSN Lifestyle. Okay, let me know what you think, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine you have a Founders Club membership and you say, hey, oh, here's a hint. There will be a 2 bedroom that sleeps up to 6 people. So therefore, you can bring people with you. So all I'm saying, imagine if you said, hey, on the calendar, we get to stay here 7 nights, 8 days. And people are going to look at you like, that place at no additional charge because you bought this one-time membership? They would think you're crazy. And not only that, the other benefits for the Founders Club members is included. So that is going to be awesome when you have 4 Coco Bongo tickets, VIP, that cost $185 or more. And that's $185 each. You get those every year if you decide to go to Punta Cana. And even if you stay at a different location, such as Panorama Garden or Panorama Lake, inside Vista Cana, which is closer to downtown, you will still be able to do that every year if you choose. You don't have to take up everything if you don't want to, because by the time 5 or 6 days go by, you'll be like, okay, I don't need to take the other benefits that I received this time. But once a year, you get to choose that, and then you have other places. So I think this is one of the greatest opportunities because we have business opportunities such as the Miracle Crypto Millionaire opportunity, but we also have other opportunities that present themselves, such as the Debt Box node, which is another asset-backed business opportunity, and we have more coming in the pipeline. So this is the benefit. How about startup companies like the Miracle Cash and More is what we're talking about, where you get an NFT and you have a whole country that you receive revenues from. Check out this video. And that's what I just wanted to do with the Friday update, and get your memberships. Because even if you're not a Founders Club member, the places that you can stay in Punta Cana, the places you can stay in Hawaii, Orlando, Mexico, around the world are very nice places. And if you're not a Founders Club member, you still will receive massive discounts. So if a place does end up costing $400 per night or $350 per night, the fact that you're a member of SSN Lifestyle, you'll be able to pay half price depending on your level, because there's 4 levels altogether. So just keep that in mind. If you don't want to become a Founders Club member, that's fine. But go through the SSN memberships that you see here on the screen. And with that said, ladies and gentlemen, once again, if you have any suggestions or you have any questions, you can always send a message to support@ssnlifestyle.com. And please check out the Facebook, the Twitter, the YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Even on Pinterest, please subscribe. Make sure you are following on all platforms, because we're about to blow up the place, because there is no other membership like this. Traveling overseas, outside the country, a lot of people have to spend $1,200, $1,500, $2,000. You'll even have discounts on international air travel that most places talk about, but we're actually going to give it to you. All right? So just think about that. And other special discounts that apply for members only. We have a free membership where you can refer other people and receive commissions. But we also have memberships where, if, for instance, some place does cost $400 a night, you are not going to be paying $400 a night. You can go look at it online, like a place in Hawaii, for instance. It might cost $450 a night, but you're not going to be paying that, no matter which level of membership you have. Free membership, you get no discounts. Only SSN Lifestyle members who has a paying membership will they receive discounts on almost everything that we offer. So just letting you know. So please subscribe to the channel. This will be the official information channel. And I thank you very much. And I will see you on the other side.